Hi everybody, welcome to Lecture 8, in which we talk about the sampling distribution. This continues our discussion from Lecture 7, in which we talked about the basics of sampling and the different procedures we have for sampling. Just to put this in context, this is the start of our discussion of inferential statistics. So for the first half of the course, we looked at various ways of looking at a set of data gathered from a random sample or from a census, so whether we have a sample or a population. For this part of the semester, the idea is we want to gather a random sample from a population, and then we want to make inferences about a population based on that sample of data. And the foundations for inferential statistics is really this lecture in terms of the basics of the sampling distribution. So we're going to talk about several topics. We're first of all going to talk about the central limit theorem. This is a core foundational aspect of inferential statistics. It is literally the central part of modern inferential statistics. And then we're going to talk about a very commonly used method of estimating a set of parameters, and that is called a confidence interval. So a confidence interval is an interval estimate. And then we're going to look at the basics of hypothesis testing. So if you recall, the two main prongs of inferential statistics entail estimation and hypothesis testing. So we're going to cover both of those aspects. And with that, let's start our discussion of the sampling distribution.